Good afternoon, everybody. I am Mrs. Nikhat Makandar from Signet Public School, New Nari. Today we are going to learn one of the chapter of class 5th Mathematics, Unit 3, Multiples and Factors. So let us see first multiple. What is multiple? Multiple is a product of a given number by any whole number. For example, if I multiply 6 by 5, answer is 30. So 30, this is a multiple of 6 and it is multiple of 30, it is also multiple of 5. So in this way, let us see some more details about multiples. For example, let us consider 5 friends are collected few flowers. Isha has collected 5 flowers, Bunty has collected 5, Riya has collected 5, Sam has collected 5 and Pinky has collected 5 flowers. So total 25 flowers. So hence we can write this in the form of 5 plus 5 10, then plus 5 15, then 20 and 25. So in each you can see in the number, first number when multiplied by 1, 5 multiplied by 1 we got 5, 5 multiplied by 2 10 and so on, 5 multiplied by 5 25. So hence these 5, 10, 15, 25 are the multiples. So in this way we can write out the multiples of any given number by multiplying the given number by any whole number, or even you can multiply by the number itself. So let us see how to find a multiple of a number. For example, find the multiple of 19. So here we can find the multiple of 19. 19 multiplied by 0, 19 multiplied by 1 and so on. So in this way it is giving you answer 19, 38 and so on. As the numbers are endless, infinite numbers are there, we can get an infinite multiple. So from this we can write few properties of multiple. Let us see what are the properties of multiple. First property of multiples, every number is a multiple of 1 and a multiple of itself. So for example, if I write 13 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 13. So 13 is a multiple of 1 and 13 is a multiple of 13 also. For second property, smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. For example, if I multiply 4 by 1, so I am getting 4, not any number which is smaller than 4. So smallest multiple of 4 is the number itself. The last one, multiples of a number as endless are infinite, you can say, because the numbers and whole numbers are infinite. So when you multiply by any number, given number to the any whole number, so it gives you infinite multiples. So this is all about multiples. Now let us move ahead with the next topic, that is factor. These both are related to each other, multiples and factor. Let us see, if I write factors, what do you mean by the factor? Factor is a number which divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder. For example, if I write 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, it is equal to 6. So 2 and 3 are the factor of 6, and as we seen earlier, 6 is a multiple of 2 and 6 is a multiple of 3. Now let us learn more about factors with this arrangement. For example, we have 20 flowers. So we need to know what is the factor of 20. So therefore we will divide 20 by its factor. The factor will be that number which will divide completely without leaving any remainder. So here 20 flower we have. First let us arrange the flowers, 2 flowers in a group, such a way we can arrange them in a 10 equal groups and no flowers are left behind here. So similarly we can arrange in another way 10 flower in one group. In this way we can arrange the given flower into the two groups. Hence, we got these two numbers are dividing completely 20. So, 2 and 10 are factors of 20. In another way, we can arrange 4 flowers in a group. In such a way, we can find complete flower divided into 5th group, 5 group without leaving any remainder. Another way, we can arrange 5 flower in a one group. In such a way, we can divide the flower in 4 groups. So that here again we are getting no remainder. So hence 5 and 4 also a factor of 20. Can we divide the flowers can we divide 3 flower in a one group? We can divide 3 flowers in a one group. It is divided into 6 group, but it's leaving 2 flower behind. Thus 20 cannot be divided by 3 exactly. So 3 is not a factor of 20. Hence, one more way we can divide. We can put all the 20 flower in a one group. So without leaving any remainder. So 20 and 1. This is also factor of 20. Hence, what are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. These are the factors of 20 which divides 20 exactly without leaving any remainder. So students, in this video we have seen multiple, properties of multiples, factors. I hope you understood. Thank you very much. Goodbye everyone.